Did you know that observing just one Mahashivratri fast can give you the spiritual benefits of an entire lifetime of fasting? Why is Mahashivratri considered one of the most powerful and sacred nights in Hinduism? And what happens when you worship Lord Shiva at the exact right time on this night? Today we are going to uncover the deep mysteries behind Mahashivratri, the secrets hidden in our scriptures, the right way to observe this divine fast, and the miraculous benefits it can bring into our life. Get ready to witness something extraordinary. Mahashivratri is not just another festival, it's a cosmic event. It's the night of Shiva, the destroyer of evil, the lord of meditation and moksha. According to Hindu scriptures, it is the night when the Lord Shiva and the goddess Parvati were united in marriage. It is the night when Shiva performed the Tandav, the cosmic dance of destruction and creation. And is the night when the energy of the universe aligns perfectly, making it the most auspicious time for spiritual growth. Now here's something even more fascinating. The real power of Mahashivratri is hidden in the right timing. Let's decode it. To receive the full blessings of Mahashivratri, one of most observe the fast at the night time. Mahashivratri begins on February 26, 2025 at 11:08 am and ends on February 27 at 8:54 am. But wait, here where the things get interesting. The real magic happens during the Pradosh Kal, the twilight period before the nightfall. This is the time when Lord Shiva is most receptive to prayers. Wake up early and take sacred bath. Visit Shiva temple or set up a small shrine at home. Offer bilva leaves, milk, honey, and water on the shivlings. Chant Om Namah Shivaya continuously to absorb divine energy. Recite the Mahamrityunjay mantra for protection and good health. Stay awake the entire night in meditation and devotion. Here's the secret. Mahashivratri night is divided into 4 phases. The deeper you go into the devotion, the more profound the blessings. Now let's talk about what happens when you actually observe this fast. People who observe Mahashivratri with full devotion experience life-changing transformations. Cleanse the mind and souls. Remove past karmic debts. Bring peace, prosperity and success. Grants divine protection from negative energies. Sharpens the mind, strength, willpower and brings clarity. Opens the path of spiritual awakening. And here's something shocking. Many great sages and sons have said that one properly observed Mahashivratri fast is equivalent to fasting for an entire lifetime. If you have never fasted before in your life, this is the one day you must do it. Some of you may be wondering, what if I'm old or have health issues? Can I still do this fast? The answer is yes, but with some modifications. Instead of complete fasting, you can take fruits and milk. Even fasting for just a few hours counts as devotion. Chanting Om Namah Shivaya for 15 minutes can give immense benefits. Remember, faith is more important than the duration of fasting. The intention is what truly matters. Did you know that thousands of people have witnessed supernatural experience on Mahashivratri night? There are stories of devotees who prayed to Shiva and saw their lives completely transformed overnight. One such famous legend is about a hunter who unknowingly observed Mahashivratri by staying awake all night under a bilva tree. By morning, his entire karma was cleansed and attained moksha, liberation. Even modern science acknowledges that during this night the earth's energy levels are at their highest, making it the best time for meditation and the spiritual awakening. Isn't it fascinating how everything in our ancient tradition has deeper meanings? Mahashivratri is not just a festival, it's an opportunity. An opportunity to purify our mind, soul, remove obstacles from your life, strengthen your spiritual connection with Shiva. So this February 26th, observe the fast chant Om Namah Shivaya and experiences the magic of Mahashivratri. If you found this video valuable, make sure to like this video. Share this with your friends and family so they can to receive these divine blessings. Comment Har Har Mahadev if you are ready to embrace the power of Mahashivratri. Don't forget to subscribe for more spiritual and powerful content like this. Until next time, Har Har Mahadev.